All right, so rewards can either be ongoing or per class. For you in the beginning, you're probably going to be doing some EC classes, so you're going to look at more per class rewards. You can take a look at either two styles of giving rewards to the students, which is either one, give them diamonds in Future Cloud, which is if you look at the student when their camera is there in the classroom, you have these four little buttons here. And the diamond tool, if you click that, it's going to freeze the screen for a second. Don't panic, that's what it's supposed to do. And then a little character that looks like Eevee from WALL-E is going to pop up holding like a trophy or something like that. And it's going to have a sound effect. It'll disappear fairly quickly within 2 to 3 seconds. So after that happens, you get a little number in the top of the diamond over here, and you can give up to 10 rewards at a time. So it helps you keep track. So that's our built-in reward system, but you might find that you want to give a little bit extra to the students to make it even more exciting for them. So if you want to use a prop-based reward system, you can do things like draw teeth, which is where this mouth originally came from on my whiteboard. I had a blank mouth with just gums going on in there, and then every time the student did a good job, I drew a new tooth for them. And it's a very easy visual way for them to understand how far they're coming in the progress of their lesson. So you can use something similar like map-based rewards, such as this teacher is doing down there, and give them a new location every time they've done something good. And at the end, you can show them a reward like, wow, you won a toy, or you won a treasure chest. You can raid Dollarama or Dollar Tree, wherever you happen to be, and find all those little things that you're like, why did they create this? Use them as rewards. This is the reason they exist. So go there and find ways that you can incorporate those kind of props into your class. Same goes for funny hats. Every time that a student does something well or they've completed a unit within their lesson, you can put on a different funny hat for them, and that way they're excited to know what's going to come next and how they're going to laugh, how ridiculous teacher's going to be today. Or you can use stickers. And currently I'm using a really fun reward system with stickers, so let me just show what it is. I've created name cards for all of my students, and at the end of each class, I award them a sticker. And if I have enough time, and I try to always make sure I do, I will give them a choice of sticker, sometimes between two different ones. So, do you want a flower today or a dinosaur? And then they'll pick a dinosaur, and they'll tell me which one they want to have. And then put it on their card, show them, and at the end of the semester, I can take a screenshot and give it to them, and they have a reward of all the hard work that they put in over the course of the last 15 weeks. So it's a really fun way to get them motivated and interested in the lesson, and to see a build-up of their progress as well. So I highly recommend you use this or something similar, whatever floats your boat and gets you excited about the class. It's probably going to get the student excited about the class too.